Welcome to Lilly Beauty Mantra. Today we'll discuss on food items you might be eating at the wrong time of the day. It's not enough to know what you should eat, you might be doing your health more harm by eating them at the wrong time. In this day and age, we are all well informed, especially where our gut is concerned. We know all about the things we should be eating, the things we should want to eat, and everywhere to eat them. We are all in tune with what our plates crave and what our tummies are rumbling or calling out for. What tips use us at times is the right time to eat them, having a banana to get rid of the hunger pang or snacking on a bar of a chocolate to uplift our moods comes very naturally. But did you know that having these goodies at the wrong time of the day can actually have a very opposite reaction? It's true. Check the video of items you might be having at the wrong time and know when's the best time to have them. Let us begin with bananas. These fruit are high in potassium, strengthen our body immune system and improve our skin quality. Most of us, especially the healthy freaky among us, knows that the banana is your best friend when you feel low on energy. You can have bananas before workout, but never for dinner. But it is best to avoid eating bananas for dinner or after dinner. It may lead to muscle formation and indigestion. Nutritionists recommend that one should have banana before workout or get some energy, but never at night. Apples. It's true that an apple is a day can keep a doctor away because it contains pectin. Pectin helps control blood sugar and cholesterol levels, which means you should indulge in the forbidden fruit a lot. But once again, not at night. Apples have pectin, which is good for us but difficult to digest at night. Why? Because pectin is hard to digest, and since you wouldn't be exercising after dinner to help your body metabolize it, it can lead to acidity. Nutritionists recommend that it is best not to have fruits as a large part of your dinner, no matter how healthy they are. Next, rice. A little portion of rice, especially for us Indians, is must every day. And let's just admit it, we need the crab rice can provide. But what's the use of having it if it's energizing you and you cannot burn it off? The only result in this case is weight gain. It's the best to have rice in small portions. That's why it's best not to have rice for dinner. Have a small portion of brunch or lunch, you will feel satisfied. But won't add on the kilos either. If you have a stronger will and want to follow a good diet to shed some weight, nutritionists recommend you to don't have rice more than once a week. Meat, it's a good source of protein, reduce fatigue and vulnerability to disease, but all kind of meats take at least 4 to 6 hours to digest. Meat, even chicken, is difficult to digest if you have it at night. Once again, this is not something you should be having at night. When you can't burn some calories, nutritionists recommended that it's best to have grilled or baked white and lean meat, chicken, because it's easier to digest. But once again, it's not something you should have for dinner. Nuts. There is a reason why nuts like almonds, pistachios and walnuts are recommended as a better snack than fattening snacks you might indulge in otherwise. They help keep blood pressure normal and take good care of our heart too. Nuts are good for us, but we shouldn't have too many of them, especially at nights. But on the flip side, nuts are high in fats and calories and can lead to weight gain if eaten after dinner. For the same reason as given in the case of meat, rice and apples, nutritionist recommends it best to have no more than 5 to 6 nuts in a day. Now, dark chocolate. You might have switched to dark chocolate after you learned that is high in antioxidants and reduce aging as well as the risk of heart diseases. That's all true. One should never snack on dark chocolate. But it's not something you should be snacking on either. Eating a lot of it throughout the day can increase your body fat. Nutritionists recommended that you have a small amount of it but never snack on it. It's good to eat everything you want to eat, but the when and how much can really affect your body. So it's best to know what you eat, should eat when, how much, and what is the correct time to eat these kind of foods. So today in this video, we have come across what are the foods to avoid at night. In next video, we'll talk what are the foods that we should avoid at the daytime. So thank you for now. See you again.